It's been so physical.
There's no denying that the rigors of this Extreme Rules match are starting to take their toll on these superstars. Harsh impact.
Here it comes. He's got him.
He's close to being done here.
An amazing match so far, guys, but it looks to me like we're possibly nearing the end here.
Boy, these superstars have been through it all here in this Extreme Rules match.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does.
Shoved right off.
I don't know how much more damage one person could take. I don't care how tough you are.
Shoving them away.
Oh, no.
Oh, no! Super kick in the locker. That was too far. This is his opportunity.
He's got him down. This is it. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
He's...
This one is over.
I really can't believe what's gone down so far. This match has been even more physical than I thought it would be. A disrespectful shove there.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken.
Counter here.
Ooh, a little shove.
This one's getting ugly. You might want to turn away if you have a weak heart.
Nailed it.
Here's his moment, Michael.
The intensity of this match has been incredible.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Oh, nasty impact.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
At some point, the referee may want to think about stopping this one before somebody gets seriously injured. Taking on any more damage here could very well mean the beginning of the end.
There it is! Outsider's edge.
That should do it. Jeez, I felt that one over here.
Oh. The fight now in the locker room.
Oh, this is getting out of hand.
Oh my God, what's he gonna do?
No! Into the monitor! Oh my gosh!
Wow, what a gritty performance.
This could end it in a hurry.
Can he score the pin?
Maybe.
1, 2, 3.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Disrespectful shove there. This could be it. Cover.
What a brutal beating we've seen dished out so far here tonight. And he kicks out.
How'd he do that?
Scoop slam.
When this guy's on, look out.
I don't know how much more these superstars can take, guys. You'd have to think something's got to give here soon. I don't know how these superstars are doing it right now. They've got to be exhausted. Whack! Michael, that gives me mean to have a seat.
I can't believe this one's still going on, especially after the beating that's been delivered tonight. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
These superstars have tried everything. They have something left in their arsenal. They have to, but can they dig down deep enough to find it?
Ooh, a little shove.
I don't know how much more damage one person could take. I don't care how tough you are. This has been a war. At some point, the referee may want to think about stopping this one before somebody gets seriously injured.
The longer this fight goes on, the more wear and tear on each competitor. Who is going to have enough to pick up the win?
Whack! Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Taking on any more damage here could very well mean the beginning of the end. He's making a statement here with this attack.
Bump handle into the neck breaker.
Can he finish him off here?
There may be no coming back from this incredible beatdown. What a brutal beating we've seen dished out so far here tonight.
Chaos, melee, pandemonium. Severe damage being inflicted to the back.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. A minor miracle might be needed to overcome this beating. This one's getting ugly. You might want to turn away if you have a weak heart. When this guy's on, look out. Looking for the exclamation point.
Oh, driver!
Spiked him.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
I really can't believe what's gone down so far. This match has been even more physical than I thought it would be.
This has been a war. You're not going to win many matches absorbing punishment like that.
And there's his speed paying off.
What a hellaciously physical match these gladiators have put themselves through. The intensity. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
There's got to be some point in the match where those thoughts start to creep in that it could be over. And then you got to dig down deep. Get rid of the self-doubt and continue on toward victory.
You can see the wear and tear that this fight has taken out of these men.
This one's for good measure.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Both of these superstars looking
Big slam. To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
These athletes seem to have tried everything in their playbook. Oh, there's more in their arsenal, I promise you that. I don't know what it is, but they'll find it.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
At what point do those thoughts creep in of, what do I have to do to put this match to rest? I don't know. I don't know as a WWE superstar if you ever have those thoughts of self-doubt. Things are not looking very good right now. Gonna have to find a way to regroup.
Beautiful technique. These superstars have tried everything. They have something left in their arsenal. They have to, but can they dig down deep enough to find it? Through the roof! Saxton, you're not getting your rental deposit back.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
And a pin attempt. 1, 2.
And he got a near fall out of it.
Dangerous. What a match this has been, guys, and it's starting to look like these superstars are beginning to feel the effects. Close quarters.
I can't believe this one's still going on, especially after the beating that's been delivered tonight.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around. I really can't believe what's gone down so far. This match has been even more physical than I thought it would be. And one more time.
Oh boy, he is rolling. It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. This one's getting ugly. You might want to turn away if you have a weak heart.